Hi, my name is Tim. Many times people place charts that they created in a spreadsheet into a document or presentation that was created by an application that is part of the same suite as the spreadsheet. There are times, however, when a chart needs to be placed in a blog or email or attached to a chat application such as Skype. To do this, the chart needs to be saved as an image. Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel do not give users an easy way to do this. LibreOffice Calc, on the other hand, makes this easy because it has a quick way to export a chart as an image. This video demonstrates how to do this. Once the desired image is chosen, right-click on it. A menu appears with an item called Export as Image. Click the item and a Save as Image dialog opens that allows the user to choose the location and format of the image. In the dialog, type a name for the image in the text field. Choose a folder in the hard drive or an attached external drive. Click the drop-down menu and choose a file format. There are several: BMP, EMF, EPS, GIF, JPEG, PDF, PNG, SVG, SVM, TIFF, and WMF. After you have chosen the desired file format, click the Save button. The chart is now an image that can be inserted into various documents. This video has been about saving a chart as an image in LibreOffice Calc. Thank you for watching. To learn more about LibreOffice, watch the other videos on this channel or playlist. There are also videos and articles on OS College's website.